Are you spending hours studying and still forgetting everything the next day? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can translate lectures, turn videos into notes, create subtitles, summarize entire classes, and even answer your questions in minutes? Sounds crazy? Because that's exactly what I've been using. And honestly, it completely changed the way I learn. Today, I'm showing you how RecCloud AI helped me study faster, learn more, and save hours every single week. Let's go. If you're a student taking online classes, watching YouTube tutorials, or trying to learn new skills, this video is for you. I used to spend hours rewatching lectures. Pause, write notes, rewind, pause again, write more notes, repeat. It was exhausting. Then I discovered RecCloud AI, and suddenly everything became easier. Translation, subtitles, speech-to-text, summaries, AI chat, all in one platform. It's basically like having an AI study assistant available 24/7. Let's start with one huge problem: language barriers. Some of the best lectures online are in English. Others are in Japanese, Spanish, Filipino, and more. But what if that's not your strongest language? That's where RecCloud's video translator comes in. I grab a lecture, paste the link, choose the language you prefer, click Translate,
Hola,
done.
hola. En esta serie vamos
hablando portugués, inglés.
Seriously, that's it. Within minutes, I get a fully translated version. Suddenly, I can learn from educators all around the world without worrying about language barriers. That's powerful. Now let's talk about another problem: missing important details. You know when someone talks super fast, or has a strong accent, or explains something important and you completely miss it? RecCloud fixes that too. Upload your video, click Generate Subtitles, wait a few seconds, done. Boom! Accurate subtitles appear automatically.
I'm angry to the body. And as a lecturer, I teach the next generation of healthcare professionals.
And we're talking over 100 languages. Now I can watch, read, and learn at the same time. My comprehension improved almost immediately. Okay, this next feature is a game changer: speech to text. Nobody likes taking notes manually. It's slow, it's repetitive, and honestly, it's boring. So here's what I do. I record the lecture, upload it to RecCloud, and let the AI do the work. Minutes later, I have a complete transcript. Every explanation, every detail, every key point, without writing a single word. Now this is where things get really crazy. Imagine taking a 2-hour lecture and turning it into a 5-minute review. That's exactly what AI Summary does. It pulls out the key concepts, the important takeaways, the things that actually matter. But wait, it gets even better. You can literally chat with the video, ask questions, get answers, test your understanding, review difficult concepts, all without rewatching the entire lecture. It's like having a personal AI tutor, available anytime, anywhere. So why RecCloud? One platform, multiple AI tools, 100+ languages, desktop, mobile, web, everything in one place. Whether you're a student, teacher, professional, or lifelong learner, there's something here for you. If you want to study smarter, learn faster, and save hours every week, try RecCloud today.